Hi and welcome back to Tiger Design, and in this video I'm going to describe a project that we recently took on with a Bangkok condominium called Click Denim based in Ekkamai. The new owners of the building had inherited the garden, which was generally very overgrown, barren, with bad grass in places, and just generally unkempt and unattractive. So they got together with us to discuss a landscape plan for them, which we produced and adapted. The first job the team had to do was remove all the old plants, the old hedges, the old weeds. Everything had to come out so that we could re-soil and install the new designed garden. The old area at the back that was just literally hard earth had to be cleared, the bamboo was cut, and the soil was brought in, used to fill up the planters and all the new areas, and the plants were also ordered from suppliers. As we've been in the business for 30 years, we've got great links with suppliers of different palms and plants all across Bangkok and the outskirts of Bangkok, so they are delivered reliably and all of the plants are of great quality. This is really important in our industry so that the customers are always satisfied with a great looking product at the end of the day. All plants and palm trees were delivered to site and stacked in an area so that when everything was cleared, the team can efficiently put them in place and we can start to build the garden.
Thanks for watching and subscribe for more landscaping videos in Thailand.